Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and I am here for you to explain about prompt engineer. So want to learn more about prompt engineer and learning and choosing a career as a prompt engineer, you have to choose a best opportunities. Here learning and choosing career as a prompt engineer, all you need to understand a basic fundamentals of any of programming language. Learning programming language not only enough. As a front-end developer, back-end developer, database engineer, algorithmic way and understanding how algorithm will works. Learning all these aspects using chatgpt or any other generative open AI techniques to learn and improve yourself as a prompt engineer, making a query and getting an information and adding to your project in very less time. Super easily you can start your career as a prompt engineer. Try today. Thank you.